quick update on our 66 Mustang. We are at the suspension and brakes portion of the project, and Rich and Hank have been working away, getting everything done. We've got the driver's side done, and next up is the passenger side, and then we can put the new wheels on, which are already mounted and balanced, and they're just waiting patiently to go on. And that's going to be the best part, is to see all that, and I'm sure the client can't wait to see it either.
You tune in this Sunday at 8 p.m. on POWERTUBE TV.